friends, welcome to the IRAM channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about our second task in Code Cloud, deploy applications with Kubernetes deployments. Let us go to the task. It is loading, it will take some time to load. Still wait to complete opening the new page. Okay friends, here given the name as HTTPD to deploy the application HTTPD using HTTPD image. Okay. Here, kind is deployment name we need to change it to HTTPD, app label and Nginx HTTPD. Okay, friends, let us copy this YAML file and use it in our code. Vi httpd dot YAML. Let us paste it. httpd 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 you change the name to httpd, container name to httpd, and here we are changing the image name to httpd latest. Latest. CTL apply FNF H CTL get deploy points. Yes, all three are running replicas. kubectl get kubectl. No, not kubectl. Now we need to check whether our YAML code is working fine or not. Yes, it's working fine. Our code successfully passed all the test cases. If you like my content of my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.